Hello friends, hope you're fine. Now I will discuss a comprehension from Junior English book 4 and the page number is 42. And the comprehension's name or title is given here, that is the Royal Mint. Let's start. Here it's written, hundreds of years ago, coins were made in various towns in Britain including Bristol, Canterbury, London, Winchester and York. After 1810, there was only one royal mint, that on Tower Hill, London, but in 1968, a new mint was established at Lantrishant, South Wales, for the manufacture of Britain's decimal currency, which was introduced on 15 February 1971. The metal ingots from which coins are made are melted in closed crucibles for about 2 hours, and the molten metal is then run into molds to form coinage burrs, which vary in width and thickness according to the coins that are to be made. These burrs or strips are next passed between rollers to ensure that they are of uniform size, and then put into machines which punch out the blank disc on which the design is to be stamped. After being examined to see that they are of the correct size and shape, these blank discs are fed into annealing drums which soften the metal in preparation for the stamping process. The design is stamped by powerful presses, both sides being done at the same time, and the finished coins are placed on a moving belt for inspection by overlookers who are trained to detect any faults. The newly minted coins are rested by weight and, after being counted by an automatic machine, are placed in bags, sealed and stored in large strong rooms until required by the banks. There are no silver coins in Britain's decimal currency, copper-nickel being used for the 50p, 10p and 5 pence pieces. A sealed bag of 50 pence pieces contains 250 pound worth or 500 coins. Each bag of 10p or pence pieces and 5p pieces contains 100 pound worth. So this is actually the comprehension, and after that we are getting question and we will answer this. One number, name 3 towns at which coins were made hundreds of years ago. Here it's written, if you just give your attention when you read, then you will get easily see towns Britain including Bristol, Canterbury, London. So the answer will be what? Name 3 towns. The 3 towns, these are Bristol, Canterbury, London, or you can tell Winchester, York. Now, after 1810, there was only one royal mint. Where was that? It's written in this place. Just check. That is C. That is here. 18. There was only one royal mint, that on Tower Hill. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer will be it was on Tower Hill, London. 3 number, where was a new royal mint established in 1968? Here, see, here the answer, here, where, that is C. A new mint was established at Lantrishant, South Wales. So this will be the answer. Now 4 number question, when was Britain's decimal currency introduced? This is so easy. It is written here. See in this place. Britain's decimal currency, which was introduced on 15 February 1971. Here I am writing it. See. 5 number. See, how are metal ingots made into coinage burrs? How? We can write, see, here in this place it's written, The metal ingots from which coins are made are melted in closed crucibles for about 2 hours, and then this. So what can we write? We can write here, I'm writing, see, the metal ingots are melted in closed crucible for about 2 hours. Molten metal is then run into molds to form coinage burrs. Now 6 number, see. What is 6 number? Why are these burrs passed between rollers? I'm writing here the answer, you just check. Here the answer will be they are passed between rollers to ensure that they are of uniform size. Here from this place you can get it. Here see, these burr strips and next pass between rollers to ensure that they are of uniform size. Now 7 number. Why are the blank discs fed into annealing drums? Why? See, here you will find this one, that is, after being examined to see that they are of the correct size and shape, these blank discs are fed into annealing drums which soften the metal in preparation for the stamping process. 7 number. Here I am giving the answer, that is, they are fed into annealing drums to soften the metal in preparation for the stamping process. Okay, now let's go to 8 number. How are the finished coins counted? This is so easy, so easy. See, here it's written, the design stamped, both sides being done at the same, and finished coins and placed on moving and inspection by overlooking and trained to detect the newly minted coins for weight and being counted by an automatic machine. That is the answer. So answer will be 8 number. They are counted by an automatic machine. Now this is the turn of 9 number. What metal is used in place of silver for the decimal coins? Here, see, it's written here, cupronickel being used for. So the answer will be cupronickel is used in place of silver. Now this is the 10 number, last one of this comprehension. How many coins would there be in a bag of 5 pence pieces? Here, see. A silk bag, here 50 pieces, each bag of 10 pence pieces, and 5 pence pieces contain 100 words. So what will be here? Each bag, so it will be 5 pence pieces. So today up to this, we have done today a comprehension from Junior English Book 4, that is from page number 42, and the topic is the Royal Mint. Next day we will do page number 43 and the topic is using the right pronoun. Bye for today.